Hello students, let's move for the exercise 11.3. In that the first sum sin 18 divided by cos 72. So all these sums in this based on this trigonometric ratios of complementary angles what I taught you already. So you have to revise that again. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, tan 90 minus theta, complementary in the sense 90 minus theta is cos theta, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta, cosecant 90 minus theta is secant theta, secant 90 minus theta is cosecant theta. So based on this only, all these completely exercise 11.3 sums. Let us solve the first one in this. Okay, so we can write this sin 18 divided by cos 72. What is there? We can write this as sin, okay, in a form of complementary angle, complementary in the sense 90 minus 72. Don't go to search the number from which I want to minus. So the number will be there only, I mean in a sum only. You can get that what the number is there in a sum from that only. So 90 minus 72 we will get 18 only, the number will change. So that's why we can write sin 18 as sin 90 minus 72 in the form of complementary angle and write denominator as it is cos 72. So sin 90 minus theta in the sense I taught you already, that is cos theta. Here theta will be the 72. Okay, so this thing in a place of theta 72 will be there. So we can write this as sin 72, sorry, sin 90 minus theta is cos, no, we can write this as cos 72 divided by itself, it is cos 72 only. Okay, so cos 72 get cancelled and the answer is 1. That's all. Okay, in the same way even this sum also, tan 26 divided by cot 64. So this thing we can write as in the form of complementary tan, we can write as tan 90 minus here only from which we want to subtract that number 90 minus 64 divided by right cot 64 as it is. Okay, so 90 minus 64 we got 26, so that's why I have subtracted from this, and tan 90 minus theta is become cot theta, you can see. So this thing in a place of theta there will be the 64, we can write this as cot 64 divided by cot 64. So cot 64 get cancelled and the answer is here also 1. The same method for everything. Student, to solve these sums in this lessons you have to learn this trigonometric ratios, that's very important. Okay, next we have to move for the third sum. So the third sum is sin cos 48 minus sin 42. So we can take in a complementary form this cos 48 as cos 90 minus, so this thing we can take 90 minus 42, which is the other one is there, that thing we can take 90 minus 42, that should be equal to 48, the value never change, cos 48 minus sin 42, right, as it is. Okay, so cos 90 minus 42 we can write as sin 42, because cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, theta is an angle, that is a 42, sin 42 minus sin 42. So 1 minus 1 will be 0, no? In the same way sin 42 minus sin 42 is equal to the 0. Okay, hope you will understand. Next one, let's move for the fourth one, cosecant 31 minus secant 59. It is also in the same way we did like that. So cosecant in a complementary form we can write cosecant 90 minus, so this thing we want to take 59, because 90 minus 59 itself it is a 31, the value never change, minus we can write this as secant 59. Okay, here cosecant 90 minus theta, theta is a 59, so cosecant 90 minus theta is secant theta. So we can write here this as a secant 59 minus this thing also, that is a secant 59. So secant 59, 1 minus 1, it will be equal to the 0. Okay, so next, hope you will understand that we have to move for the second one, sub question in this first one, that is the show that tan 48 into, there is a point or not there, so there will be the multiplication sign, tan 48 into tan 23 plus tan 42 into tan 67 equal to 1. We want to show like that. So let us take that. Tan 48 into tan 23, tan 48 into tan 23 it is. So that is we can write this as tan 48 into tan 23. So we can write this as tan 48, right, as it is this. How it should be like that, tan 48 into this thing also we should write as tan 23 as it is, tan 23 into so this thing tan 42 we can write as tan, the value never changed, 90 minus, if you are taken a 48, the value never change, 90 minus 48 is 42 only. So into tan, even this thing also we can change as 90 minus 23. The 90 minus 23 is 67, the value never change. Okay, so we can write as it is this, tan 48 into tan 23 into, always in all the signs there will be the into only, because in point will be there or not there, that is understood, there will be the into, and tan 90 minus theta will become cot 48. So into, so this will become cot 23, cot 23. Yes, this is a tan 48 into tan 23 into cot 48 into cot 23. So this thing, I mean cot we can write as its reciprocal, that is 1 by sine 1 by tan we can write. So we should write the tan 48 into tan 23 into, so this cot 45 we can write as tan 48, because cot is the reciprocal of a tan, or tan is the reciprocal of a cot, we can take as 1 by tan 48. So this thing also we can write as 1 by tan 23. Okay, so tan 48 in a denominator and in the numerator will be cancelled, and here also tan 23 in the denominator and the numerator will be cancelled, remaining nothing will be there. So that's why it is a 1, 1 ones are 1. So the value is 1. Hope you will understand this. Why I am writing this, we can write cot 48, it's a reciprocal of 1 by tan 48. That thing you should keep in a mind. Let us do the next one, cos 38. Cos it is cos 38 into cos 52 minus sin 38 into sin 52 equal to 0. So let us do this in the same method, the same manner. So we can write this as cos 38, right, in a odd cos 38 as cos, the same we can write as 90 minus what is there here, that is 90 minus 52. So this cos 52 write as it is, minus cos 52 it is sine. So this thing also we can write as 9 in a complementary form, 90 minus 52, 90 minus 52, and sine 52 should write as sine 52. Okay, so this cos 90 minus 52 we can write as, here there will be the into, keep that thing in a mind. So cos 90 minus 52 we can write as sine 52 into sine 52 this is sine 52 into cos 52, cos 52 it is, minus this thing we can take as cos 52 into sine 52. Yes, if you are doing like that, next we can take sine 52, sine 52 get cancelled, even cos 52 minus cos 52. So it will be, I mean in both the side there will be the same number, so it will be cancelled, sine 52, sine 52 will be cancelled, and cos 52 minus cos 52, it will become 1 minus 1, it's nothing but equal to the 0. Okay, so this will be answer. So next we have to move for the third one in this exercise. We have to move for the next one, third one. If, let us read the sum. If tan 2a equal to cot a minus 18, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Okay, so tan 2a equal to cot a minus 18, and 2a is an acute angle in the sense less than 90 degree. So tan 2a if you are taken tan 2a equal to, so this thing we have to take cot a minus 18 what they have given. So this tan 2a we can write as tan 90 minus 2a. In a complementary form we can write this as tan 2a as this thing we can write as tan 2a, we can write as cot 90 minus 2a, because cot 90 minus 2a nothing but the tan theta. Here theta is a 2a, so we can write as cot 90 minus 2a, so that equal to the cot a minus 18. So this thing never change. Here cot get cancelled, the remaining is 90 minus 2a equal to a minus 18. So take a to the one side, 2a plus 2a it will become, if you are taken minus 2a to the RHS it will become 2a, and 90 if you have taken this to the LHS it will become plus 18. So 2a plus 1a will be there here always, that it will become a 3a equal to 90 plus 18 is 108. Then a equal to 108 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 6. So the value of a equal to 36. So this is the value of a. In the same way, fourth one we have to read. If tan a equal to cot b, prove that a plus b equal to 90 degree. In the same way, this tan a we can write as cot 90 minus a, because in the form of complementary, cot 90 minus theta is tan a only, the value never change. We can write this as, and this is cot b. So cot get cancelled, the remaining is 90 minus a equal to b. So if you are taken a plus b to the RHS, a plus b equal to the 90 degree. Okay, so a plus b or b plus a and a plus b both are same, that equal to the 90 degree. It is proved. Okay, next fifth one we have to move. If secant 4a equal to the cosecant a minus 20, where 4a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Secant 4a equal to the cosecant a minus 20. If 4a, this 4a what is there, it is an acute angle in the sense less than 90 degree. Find the value of a, we want to find out that. So let us take in the same way how we did like that only. So let us take this secant 4a what they has given, that thing you have to take. Secant 4a equal to the cosecant a minus 20, cosecant a minus 20. So this secant 4a we can write as cosecant, because secant is a complement, cosecant is the cosecant 90 minus 4a is the secant 4a. So we can write this as cosecant 90 minus 4a. Here theta represent the 4a, it's equal to the secant 4a. So that equal to the cosecant a minus 20, like that we can write. Cosecant on both the side will be get cancelled. So we got here 90 minus 4a equal to a minus 20. So if you have taken a to the one side, a plus 4a it will become equal to the 90. This minus 20 will take to the LHS, it will become plus 20. 4a plus a is 5a, 1a, 90 plus 20 is 110. So therefore a equals what happen here, 110 divided by 5. So from 5 2s are 10, remainder 1, 5 2s are 10. So a value, find the value of a they are asking, therefore a equal to 22 degree. Hope you will understand this. Let's move for the sixth one. if A, B, C are the interior angles of a triangle ABC. ABC are the interior angle. Interior of angle in the sense inside angle. So if you are taken this angle, this is A, angle A and angle B and angle C. These are the interior angles. Interior angles of triangle ABC. Then show that sin B plus C divided by 2 equal to the cos A by 2. So we want to show like that, and we know that thing also they has given WKT means we know that sum of all the angles of triangle is equal to the 180 degree. That thing also, as we know that sum of the angles of all the angles, sum of all the angles in the sense angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to, that should be equal to the 180 degree. A plus B plus C equal to the 180 degree. So if you are taken that A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree, so divide that A plus B plus C on both the side by 2. Okay, so this thing we got A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree, because they only has given sum of all the angles of the interior angle, that is should be 80 degree. So divide, next you have to write divide both the side in the sense LHS and RHS, both the side by 2. Just you have to divide by 2. Divide by 2 in the sense we got A divided by 2 plus B divided by 2 plus C divided by 2 in the LHS side. So that equal to 180 divided by 2. So this 180 divided by 2 equal to the 90 degree. Here we got 90 degree. Okay. So next, if you are separating that B by 2 plus C by 2 equal to 90 minus, if you are taken A by 2 to the RHS, so that will become 90 minus A by 2. Yes, this will become what? B plus C divided by 2. Therefore, what it will become? Because B plus 2 is, if you are taken LCM 2 here, B plus C equal to the 90 minus A divided by 2. Okay. Now for this, take sine on both side. Take sine in the sense angle sine on both the side. So just we have to take angle sine on both the side. That will become, if we are taken sine, okay, so sine B plus C divided by 2 equal to sine, because we can cancel the sign, the value never change. Okay, sine it will become 90 minus A divided by 2. 90 minus A divided by 2. So then what happen? Sine B plus C divided by 2 equal to this sine 90 minus theta we can write as, here theta is a by 2, we can write as sine 90 minus theta is cos A divided by 2. So that thing only they are asking in our questions to prove. So now we have proved. So the last one in this exercise, express sine 67 plus cos 75. Express sine 67 plus cos 75 in terms of the trigonometric ratios of the angles between 0 degree to 45 degree. I mean this angle what they has given 67 and 75, we want to what represent in the terms of 0 and 45 degree. I mean below 45 degree we can express in any angle. That thing below 45 degree 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗಿನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಸೈನ್ 67 plus cos 75. So this sine 67 in terms of complementary we can write as, here don't take 90 minus 75 because 90 minus 75 is not equal to 71. So below 45 any terms we can take 90 minus 23 if we are taken. So we can get below that. So if we are doing 90 minus 67, so we will get 23. Okay, so instead of that 90 minus 23 I got here. So we can write the value never change, 67 only we got here. And in the same way if we are doing 90 minus 75 we got 15, no? So we can get here cos this thing 90 minus 15, that 15, the value never change, we can interchange and we can write like that. So this 9 sin 90 minus 23 become cos 23, because sin 90 minus theta is cos, here theta angle is 23, plus cos 90 minus 23 we can write as sin 15. So these are below 45, the angles are below 45, and we are representing the same, that is cos 23 plus sin 15. Hope you will understand. Okay, and yes, that's all. Thank you.